How to buy Orby network token. So this token came under the symbol of USC. Now before start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available right now on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, as you can see, go and you will be able to find this exchange or the decentralized exchange platform. Sorry. So click on this pair here, as you can see, and you will be able to redirect to this page, as you can see. Now click on trade on VVC on VVS, as you can see. Now wait a few seconds to be able to load the page. Now after that, what you need to do, select your wallet. I will use the MetaMask, so connect it to this website. Click on connect. So after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, as you can see, you'll be able to see the token from the bottom, and from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy USC. Yes, USC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.